Welcome, folks, to a deep dive into the world of natural wood finishes. You know, for years we've been using those chemical-laden products that promise the world but often leave you with fumes and a finish that just doesn't quite feel right. Today, we're going back to basics, exploring the time-tested, eco-friendly options that not only protect your wood but also enhance its natural beauty. We're talking about finishes that have been used for generations, passed down from woodworker to woodworker, each with its own unique characteristics and benefits. So, whether you're refinishing an antique table, building a new bookshelf, or simply want to give your cutting board a little extra love, stick around. We'll uncover the secrets of these natural finishes, from application techniques to their long-term care. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, Tung Oil. This remarkable oil is pressed from the nuts of the tung tree, native to Asia, and has been a staple in woodworking for centuries. What sets tung oil apart is its ability to penetrate deep into the wood fibers, hardening from within to create a water-resistant seal that's both durable and beautiful. Unlike those surface-level finishes, tung oil becomes part of the wood itself, allowing it to breathe and age gracefully. You'll find that tung oil provides a low luster sheen, enhancing the wood's natural grain and color without that plasticky look. Plus, it's completely natural and non-toxic, making it a great choice for homes with kids and pets. Now, let's talk about another old-timer linseed oil. Derived from flax seeds, this oil has been a go-to finish for centuries, prized for its ability to protect and enhance the wood's natural beauty. You'll find linseed oil in two forms, raw and boiled. Raw linseed oil takes its sweet time to dry, sometimes weeks, but it offers a more natural approach. Boiled linseed oil, on the other hand, has been treated to speed up the drying process, often with metallic dryers. Now, if you're going for a truly chemical-free approach, stick with raw linseed oil. It requires a bit more patience, but the results are well worth the wait. Let's move on to something truly special, beeswax. This natural wonder, produced by honeybees, has been used for centuries as a wood polish and protectant. Think of beeswax as a gentle caress for your wood. It creates a soft, warm luster, highlighting the wood's natural grain without altering its color. It's like adding a touch of honeybee magic to your projects. While beeswax doesn't offer the same level of water resistance as oils, it provides a breathable finish that's perfect for furniture, wooden bowls, and even children's toys. Chapter 4. Carnauba Wax, the queen of waxes for a durable shine. Next up, we're heading south to Brazil, the home of Carnauba wax, often called the queen of waxes. This wax, derived from the leaves of the Carnauba palm tree, is known for its incredible hardness and durability. Now, Carnauba wax is much harder than beeswax, providing a tougher, more water-resistant finish. It's often blended with beeswax to combine their best qualities, the durability of Carnauba and the soft luster of beeswax. You'll find Carnauba wax blends used on everything from furniture to floors, providing a long-lasting shine that's sure to impress. Chapter 5. Shellac, a classic finish with a timeless appeal. Now, for those who appreciate a bit of history, let's talk about shellac. This remarkable finish comes from a natural resin secreted by the lac bug, primarily found in India and Thailand. Shellac has been used for centuries in woodworking, prized for its quick drying time and ability to enhance the wood's natural beauty. It creates a warm, amber-toned finish that deepens the wood's color and adds a beautiful luster. While shellac is not as water-resistant as some oils, it can be easily renewed and repaired, making it a favorite for antique restoration. Chapter 6. Danish Oil, blending the best of both worlds. For folks looking for a happy medium between the deep penetration of oils and the ease of use of waxes, let me introduce you to Danish Oil. This popular finish is typically a blend of natural oils like tung or linseed oil, combined with resins and solvents for faster drying. Danish Oil offers the protective qualities of oil finishes, penetrating the wood fibers for water resistance, while also providing a slightly harder and more durable surface than raw oil alone. It's a great all-around finish for furniture, cabinets, and even wood-turning projects, offering a balance of beauty, protection, and ease of application. Chapter 7. Olive Oil. Food safe. Finish from your pantry. Now, for those who love to keep things simple and natural, you might be surprised to learn that you can achieve a beautiful finish with a staple from your pantry. Olive oil. Olive oil is a fantastic food-safe option, ideal for wooden utensils, cutting boards, and countertops. While it doesn't offer the same level of water resistance as other finishes, it provides a natural barrier that helps protect the wood. Plus, using olive oil is as easy as it gets. Simply apply a thin coat to the wood surface, let it soak in, and buff it to a soft sheen. Chapter 8. Walnut oil. Another deliciously natural choice. And finally, let's not forget about walnut oil, another excellent natural finish for food-safe applications. This oil, derived from walnuts, offers similar benefits to olive oil, providing a beautiful, low-luster finish. Walnut oil is particularly prized for its rich, warm tone, which can enhance the natural beauty of darker woods like walnut, cherry, and mahogany. Like olive oil, walnut oil is simple to apply and completely food-safe, making it a great choice for kitchenware and other items that come into contact with food. Well, there you have it, folks, a closer look at some of the best natural wood finishes out there. Remember, choosing the right finish depends on the project, the type of wood, and the level of protection desired. Whether you're drawn to the deep, rich glow of tung oil, the time-tested durability of shellac, or the food-safe simplicity of olive oil, there's a natural finish out there waiting to bring out the best in your woodworking projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on eco-friendly woodworking and home improvement. And as always, thanks for stopping by the workshop.